welcome everybody. I'm your host Groundwire. Today we're going to be doing something very simple. We're going to be adding windshield washer fluid to this 2008 Chevy Trailblazer with the 4.2 inline 6 engine. All the magic's going to be done up underneath the hood, so we're going to go ahead and pop our hood and lift it up and secure it safely on the hood prop, keeping the hood up in the air and not falling on top of you. And from there, we're going to locate our windshield washer reservoir right here. It is located next to the coolant reservoir. Do not put windshield washer fluid in there. That's a very bad day if you do. And you're going to take your desired windshield washer fluid. I just have the standard Shop Pro 20 below right here. We're going to pop the cap and remove the seal. We're going to take the cap off on our windshield washer reservoir. It just pops up. And then go ahead and start adding our fluid to full capacity. I highly do recommend using a funnel. I'm not being smart enough to use one here in this video, but you guys get the gist. I do recommend a funnel. It does mitigate spills quite a bit. Once you've reached full capacity or your desired capacity in there, go ahead and stop, put your cap back on, and make sure to clean up any kind of spills or messes that you have made along the way. Well, from there, go and shut your hood and test out the spray function. Run your front blades, run your rear blades. That way, if you weren't getting any spray before, you can confirm that you were just out of fluid and didn't have a bigger issue elsewhere. Well, that's a maintenance item complete. Like I said, I use the Shop Pro branded windshield washer fluid. You can get this at AutoZone, but pretty much any auto parts store is going to carry windshield washer fluid. Heck, you can even get the stuff at Walmart. So if you're looking for some, those are the places that you guys can find it. But we're all done here, and I hope this helped you guys out. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was entertaining for you. Please like it if you liked it, dislike if you didn't like it. Leave me a comment down below. Tell me what you guys think. Please consider subscribing. It really helps me out. I do other videos on this channel of maintenance and repair of big vehicles, small vehicles, and medium-sized vehicles, as well as I do tool reviews and random automotive adventures whenever I possibly can. Please check out my other videos. Hope you guys enjoy them, and subscribe if you want to see more. Thanks. You all have a good one.